Hey there, and welcome back to Cosmic Crypto. In this video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, BTC. Let's go. Alright, welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go down below, hit that subscribe button. While you're down there, if you can tap the like button, I'd really appreciate it. It is the best way to support the channel. Alright, starting off on the daily time frame with Bitcoin. So, quick recap. We've been in this pennant, falling wedge, whatever this is, for quite a while now. We came down on the daily time frame, tested that 200 EMA, found some support, came up, had this massive move, and I did say in my last couple of Bitcoin videos that we'd probably be hitting some resistance here, and it's not going to break through right away. I do still expect us to break through this point, but I don't know how many days are left because I can't really estimate time, but I'm going to get down to that here when we zoom in a little bit further. But I do think if we do get some kind of a correction, that I'd be looking at the $28,700 level, around that 382 retracement here. It technically could go all the way down and retest this pennant as support, which would bring us all the way back down to 26,700. I just don't think that's very likely. I think that we're going to find support at the 382 if we haven't found support already. But I do have a theory about where we are going in the shorter term, so let's kind of zoom in here. So actually on the daily, we do have a red dot here. On the daily, we were overbought, and so actually you can see we were overbought back over here, and we just kind of went sideways for a while. Then we had another pump, and then we had the dump. And so technically we could have a sideways action here for a while, but I have a feeling we might get a quick drop to the downside in, I'm going to guess, a few days. Let's zoom in a little bit. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame here. It's actually a few days would put us over the weekend. So I'm looking at this kind of wedge here, or this triangle, whatever this could be, and I am kind of expecting. So we found support down here. I'm expecting us to come back up, possibly hit this as resistance again, and then having a fall to the downside. So we can come up, hit this, come back down, fall, retest, breakdown. And the price target of this breakdown would actually bring us right down to that 382 area, which is that 28,700 area for the price target. And so I'm that's kind of what I'm seeing here for a possible future. I'm not sure how long this is going to take. Now, this is obviously invalidated. The breakdown to the downside would be invalidated if we do create a new high over here, breaking 31,000. And I'd say probably a 4 hour to daily candle close above that price range there. If we take a fib from the top down to the bottom, you can also see that that is, we did kind of run into the 618, had a wick all the way up to the 786 and got pushed right back down. And so I do think we might have another attempt at it. And if we do, and we see another high wick coming off of this top resistance or diagonal line here, then I'm going to expect us to go down even further. So maybe we are coming up to retest it right now and getting rejected. But if we do break above that, then probably this is all invalidated. And we're going to continue on to the upside. But with the weekend price action usually pushing prices down, I'm kind of expecting us to maybe get that retest and then on the weekend have a big dump, maybe down to the 28,700. But again, invalidated if we break above 31,000. That's pretty much what I got for Bitcoin. Nothing really happening. We're just going sideways here. You can see that the wicks on this top end are fairly high. Also the wicks on the bottom are pretty high as well. So this is kind of just people wondering where we're going to go. And so we're just going to wait until this triangle, this wedge, whatever we're calling it, kind of comes to an end over here, which leads us to Sunday, possibly Monday. So we might find out what's happening over the weekend. Anyway, that's what I got for Bitcoin. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and I will talk to you later.